SpongeBob.
What is it?
It's SpongeBob.
Right, they finally started. I think they're but he's very.
I'm a little uncomfortable with this one on my shoulder because I don't know it that well.
He's very, he doesn't take to people like that very often.
So finally, when we started to play together.
He's met me before then. It's probably been a year.
Yeah, at least.
Maybe he remembers me. I don't know.
Maybe.
Working together a little bit.
Hi. How are you? How are you? Hi, baby.
Yeah.
The girl was doing the groom and she said she just rehomed him, Hans.
Really?
Yeah.
Man.
I said I would have given him mine. What the hell?
Well, no, I'll be taking another Hans any day.
Don't eat mommy zippers. No zippers.
Flickerbird. Hello.
Where they go for your bra strap where the little plastic part is?
Oh, it's
What's up, Flickerbird?
zippers for sure.
What you doing?
Hey.
How old is it? Is it a boy or girl?
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
It's cat size over there.